gonna get crazy tonight. This is Comics Unleash Hot Chocolate, and we have some funny people here. We say hello to Earthquake, Tony Llewellyn, Tony Roberts, and Raj G. So Earthquake, how come you don't have any black terrorists?
Because you got to be on time with a bomb. A brother oversleep, boom, it's at 8:30. I knew I forgot to do something. When we gonna lie? Al-Qaeda, when they say 8:30, they mean 8:30.
How's your family doing, man?
Oh, man, I was raised by women, man.
Yeah?
Yeah, I got a lot of sisters, man. They ain't the brightest, but they all right.
How many sisters?
5.
Okay.
Yeah,
You
man.
slept with one of them.
Mm-hmm. We need to talk about that. You owe me. I seen your answer. We need to talk about that. Now, my sister's stupid, man. She had a set of twins named the girl Denise and the boy the nephew. That don't make no sense. You mess these boys right up.
But she's cool, though.
She got the brains of a bracelet. I'm telling you, man.
So, Tony, you was raised by 5 women?
5 women.
So did you ever have an episode where they all had their period at the same time?
Oh, man, don't even talk about that. It's like a crime scene.
That's funny. That's funny.
What else they hit you with?
All kind of stuff, man. My sisters used to be bullying me around. Every Halloween, I had to be one of their girlfriends. You know, wigs itch. My sisters used to do me wrong, man.
Yeah.
Hey, your sister still got that goatee? See, talking stuff. Stop. See, he should be talking. His mama got one arm and swim in circles.
Hey, Tony Mama was just voted Man of the Year.
Tony Mama got the first.
Snap battle.
He got the first next tail wig. My sideburns get 1,000 minutes.
Hey,
That's your mama.
hey, your mother's back was voted one of the top 10 vacation spots.
That was a whole run. Come on, Tony.
Tony Mama, she's sitting at home right now with a wooden leg and a real foot. That's my baby. That's my baby.
Put the cigarette on the leg. Put the cigarette out. Give me another one.
Okay, this is gonna go on and on.
No. I'm loving this. Come on, man. Just one more time.
Come on. Come on, bring it, baby.
Tony Mama was the NFL sack leader this past Sunday.
Tony Mama got a mouth full of wisdom teeth. They call her smart mouth.
You gotta get her.
Okay.
That boy got 100 jokes in.
So, Roz.
Oh, man.
So, Roz, I want to know, what do you think about monogamy? You think that's something that can actually be achieved?
When you get a little wisdom and when you done had some life experiences, you want to be with one person. You just too old to be slinging your ass all over the place. You know what I'm saying? You just get too old for that.
Sound like somebody caught something.
And especially if, like, I have a best friend, and we all got best friends. I got a best friend that cheats on her man, right? So I be feeling like I'm cheating on him. She be calling me talking about, where you at? I be like, I'm home. You gotta leave town. We in Chicago for 3 days. I'm in the house hiding from somebody else's husband while she out getting laid. I'm in the club. I gotta leave the club. I'm like, oh, he here. And I'm like, then I have to call and say, girl, you gotta come home. He parked by the kitchen. I ain't ate since last night. I'm about to blow your spot up.
All right, we're going to take a break. We'll be right back. Don't go away.
For more laughs, visit comicsunleashed.com.